low energy, frequent sniffles, slow recovery. These signs can point to one thing your body really needs: proper mineral balance. And in today's busy world, that's easier said than done. When your body is low on key minerals like zinc and copper, it affects far more than your immune system. It impacts energy production, antioxidants, cellular repair, hormones, and even how your body responds to stress, workouts, and daily demands. You're doing everything right, yet your body feels like it's still running on low battery. Enter Zinc Complex Plus Copper, a balanced dual mineral formula engineered to support your immune defenses, antioxidant protection, metabolic health, and overall vitality. Zinc helps fortify immune response and cellular health, while copper helps maintain antioxidant balance and nutrient utilization, working together for powerful daily wellness support. Simple, effective, and designed for everyday use. This is the foundation your body has been asking for. Visit drnicolemd.com to learn more about Zinc Complex Plus Copper and give your body the balanced support it deserves. Stronger immunity, better balance, more energy. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals, fueling your body naturally.